Have you ever wondered why it is important for us to change our home decor to contemporary styles? Changing home decor to a contemporary style is a decision that many homeowners consider as they seek to create spaces that resonate with modern sensibilities. The contemporary style, characterized by clean lines, minimalism, and a focus on functionality, reflects the needs and preferences of today's society. Embracing this style can offer numerous benefits that enhance both the aesthetic appeal and practical functionality of living spaces. Understanding why it is essential to adopt contemporary decor can illuminate the transformative power of design in our lives. One of the primary reasons to shift to contemporary decor is the emphasis on simplicity and minimalism that this style promotes. In a world that often feels chaotic and cluttered, contemporary design advocates for a more streamlined approach. The idea of less is more resonates deeply with individuals seeking to create tranquil environments that foster relaxation and clarity. By embracing contemporary decor, homeowners can eliminate unnecessary items and distractions, allowing for an open and airy atmosphere that encourages peace of mind. This focus on simplicity can be particularly beneficial in today's fast-paced society, where mental well-being is paramount. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of contemporary wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas for modern homes. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another significant aspect of contemporary decor is its adaptability to modern lifestyles. As living conditions evolve, whether due to shifts in family dynamics, work-from-home trends, or urban living, contemporary design offers solutions that cater to these changing needs. For instance, multifunctional furniture is a hallmark of contemporary style, allowing homeowners to maximize their space while maintaining a sense of elegance. Pieces that serve dual purposes, such as a coffee table that converts into a dining table or a sofa that doubles as a bed, reflect the practical demands of modern life. This adaptability ensures that living spaces remain functional and relevant, accommodating the varied activities and interactions that define contemporary living. The contemporary style also embraces the use of innovative materials and technologies, which contribute to the overall functionality and aesthetic of a space. The integration of smart home technology within contemporary decor can enhance convenience and efficiency. For example, lighting systems that can be controlled via smartphones or automated window treatments reflect a seamless blend of design and technology. This incorporation of modern solutions not only makes life easier, but also keeps homes feeling fresh and cutting edge. As technology continues to advance, contemporary decor allows individuals to embrace these innovations, ensuring their spaces are equipped with the latest conveniences. A commitment to sustainability is another compelling reason to adopt contemporary decor. As environmental concerns rise, many people are prioritizing eco-friendly choices in their homes. Contemporary design often emphasizes sustainable materials and practices, reflecting a growing awareness of our impact on the planet. Utilizing reclaimed wood, recycled materials, and low VOC, volatile organic compound, paints aligns with a broader movement toward responsible consumption. By choosing contemporary decor that prioritizes sustainability, homeowners can create beautiful spaces that are also mindful of their ecological footprint, fostering a deeper connection to nature and a commitment to environmental stewardship. Furthermore, contemporary decor encourages a strong connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Large windows, open floor plans, and the use of natural materials blur the boundaries between the interior and exterior, inviting nature into the home. This connection to the outdoors can enhance the overall ambience of a space, providing a sense of tranquility and harmony. Incorporating elements such as indoor plants, natural light, and outdoor views can significantly improve mood and well-being. As individuals increasingly seek refuge in nature, contemporary decor offers a way to bring those calming influences indoors, creating environments that feel alive and vibrant. In addition to its aesthetic and functional benefits, contemporary decor allows for personal expression. The versatility of contemporary design means that individuals can infuse their unique personalities and tastes into their living spaces. While the style emphasizes simplicity, it also provides a canvas for creativity. Homeowners can play with color, texture, and form, selecting pieces that reflect their values and experiences. This customization fosters a sense of ownership and pride in one's environment, creating a home that feels deeply personal and meaningful. Changing to a contemporary style can also rejuvenate the emotional atmosphere of a home. Over time, living spaces can become stagnant or uninspiring, leading to feelings of boredom or disconnection. By embracing contemporary decor, individuals can invigorate their surroundings and foster a renewed sense of enthusiasm for their home. The act of redesigning a space can serve as a form of self-care, allowing individuals to engage in a creative process that promotes mindfulness and reflection. This transformation can have a profound impact on mental well-being, creating an environment that supports relaxation, creativity, and joy. Moreover, the contemporary style is characterized by its focus on functionality, which resonates with the demands of modern life. As homes become more than just places to live, serving as workspaces, entertainment venues, and personal retreats, the need for practical design solutions becomes increasingly important. Contemporary decor emphasizes furniture and layouts that enhance usability and flow, making everyday activities more enjoyable. This focus on functionality ensures that homes are equipped to meet the diverse needs of their inhabitants, allowing for a more fulfilling and efficient living experience. The aesthetic appeal of contemporary decor cannot be understated. The style's clean lines, neutral color palettes, and sophisticated materials create an elegant backdrop for everyday life. By adopting contemporary design principles, homeowners can elevate the overall look and feel of their spaces, creating environments that are both stylish and timeless. The emphasis on quality materials and craftsmanship ensures that contemporary furniture and decor items not only look beautiful, but also stand the test of time. This durability and longevity contribute to a sense of investment in one's home, reinforcing the idea that decor choices should be both visually appealing and practical. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked contemporary wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas for modern homes. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.